Okay, so this is the second episode of the movie Diaries. If you didn't watch the first one, go back and watch it. Today is just like unpacking. I need to unpack everything in here. I started a little bit and the place looks like a mess. It's really bad right now, but I started unpacking some of my things, some of my clothes. I hung up some of my jackets. I'm trying to get everything together. What's next is I need to fix up the bathroom and then I need to fix up the kitchen. The kitchen is the worst place and I think that's where we're gonna start. So the kitchen looks the worst. At least I put up the desk curtain up there and then I need to open up this fridge like right now before I start doing anything else. I'm gonna unpack some stuff. I'm gonna unpack a lot of kitchen stuff. I got my things in advance because the prices of things are changing every day here. So I bought some of my things in advance for the kitchen. This is how that went. Alright, so I went everywhere to get stuff, but most of these things I got it all down in like the Chinese stores and stuff like that. But then I'm going to show you first the things that I got when I was back in school. If you didn't watch my last video, go watch it, my life update. When I went to go get my stuff back in South Africa, I knew I was going to move out, so I bought some things. I got these balls. I think if you're watching my videos, you've seen this before. But I got these balls. I got 2 of them. This is the aesthetic that I was going for. To match with the balls, I got plates. These types of plates. Because I saw them on Pinterest and I really like how they look. But these are like side plates. So I think they go well together. And then to store like sugar, coffee and tea bags, I got these little storage thingies. Just plain white. Got 3 of them. Then I got these, I think they're called champagne glasses. I don't know, but I thought they were cute. Got 2 of these. The other one I used last night. Always had these, but these are like short wine glasses. I got a baking pan. Not the best at baking, but this is gonna motivate me. So to match with the plates, I got these ones, but then these are grey and everything else is brown, but they kind of look good together. And when I was getting this, I thought this was the exact same one, but they're different. I don't know if you can tell, this one's more hollow, but I just got plain white mugs. And most of these things are from Jubilee, but then the one that's in Odd Town, not the one that's by City Mall. I got utensils. I think they're nice and simple. I got a grater, I think that's what they're called. A spatula, scissors, whisk, yeah, big spoon for simmer, just a regular spoon. I got a bottle opener. I got like wooden spoons and stuff for cooking. I prefer a knife, but I just got it. It's a vegetable peeler. Got some containers. I don't know where the lids are, but I got like 3 containers. Some plastic bowls. Drinking glasses. It's supposed to be 6, but I only have 3. I split them with my brother. Knives. I got a pan. And then lastly, a chopping board. This is how the kitchen is looking like. And I decided to put the table this side with the chair. And then there are like a few groceries down there. Everything's in there. I still need to get like those, what are they called? Those trays where you like separate the stuff, but it's not important right now. And my pots in here.